X squared plus 33x plus 90. Now I'm going to factor this like normal. It's a regular trinomial, an MC chart. Multiply to 90, combine to 33. If you can do this in your head, you don't have to show all the work. A lot of people can see, oh, it's 3 times 30. Awesome. If you need to write the whole thing out, write the whole thing out. If you just need to write this out, that's fine at this point. All right, so x plus 3, x plus 30. All right, are we done? No, remember we slid the 5 over. You multiply by 5, so you divide by 5. Which one divides? You get x plus 6, and then the 5 slides to the front. 5x plus 3. And we're done. Okay. All right, so let's get a little harder. We're going to throw some negatives in there. This lesson is a little longer because it's a Wednesday. All right, 2x squared plus 13x minus 24. Pause the video. Try it on your own. Here's my new trinomial, x squared plus 13x minus 48. How did I get that? Multiply the 2 in front times your 24. We're multiplying to a negative this time, combining to 13. 1 times 48, 2 times 24, 3 times 16, 4 times 12, 6 times 8. Now you're multiplying to a negative, so you need a negative. Since the combine is positive, the bigger number is positive. So we make the first number negative. You want the smaller number negative in this case. Now when you combine, you end up subtracting. And there it is. I got 13 right here. X minus 3, x plus 16. X minus 3, x plus 16. Again, divide both of them by 2. One of them simplifies, one of them doesn't. This one doesn't. Every single time it's in the front. That's weird. That doesn't always happen. And we're done. Okay. All right, we got 2 left. All right, numbers 5. Eight x squared minus 8x minus, whoopsies, that's not right. Ignore me. 8x squared minus x minus 7. Now this one, if you could do this in your head, you should try, because this is actually an easy one to do without sliding, but if you would just want to try to figure it out, guess and check. Same idea, multiply x squared minus x minus 56. What multiplies to negative 56 combines to what? What are we combining to? You cannot combine to x. You cannot combine to x. What two numbers add up to x? Who knows? We do not know. You cannot add to x. What's the coefficient of x? Negative 1. Remember, I have a pen. I have 1 pen. You can't combine to x. It's the coefficient. There's an invisible 1 in front. All right, so 1 times 56, 2 times 28, 3 doesn't work, 4 times 14, 7 times 8. Now the combined number is negative, so the bigger number is negative this time. Combine across, negative 55, negative 26, negative 10, negative 1. There's my negative 1. So I get x minus 8. X plus 7. I wrote it backwards just to show you it doesn't always have to be backwards. Divide by 8, divide by 8. This one simplifies. X minus 1. This one doesn't, so the 8 slides to the front, and the 7 stays the same. And we're done. All right, last one. I'm going to try to stick it on the bottom. All right, 4x squared minus 23x minus 35. All right, pause the video. Try it on your own. Don't rely on me for everything. New trinomial. X squared minus 23x minus 140. It's 4 times 35. So this one definitely make an MC chart. I'm not even sure off the top of my head what these are. All right, so multiplying to negative 140, combining to negative 23. It's not going to be 1 times 140. 2 times 70. 3 doesn't work. 4 times 35. 5 times 28. Ooh, that's it. 5 and 28. 6, 7, and 20. I'm not sure if there's any more, but it's going to be 5 and 28. Now, you're combining to a negative, so the bigger number is negative. Add across. You end up subtracting. Negative 23 is right here. Okay? So, x minus 28, x plus 5. Again, it doesn't matter the order. Divide by 4, divide by 4. The 28 and the 4 cancel. You get 7. This does not cancel, so the 4 slides to the front, and the 5 stays the same. And that's it. You're done. Okay, one more slide. We're not going to do any real math. I just want to talk about it for a second. Slide in. Okay. How do you tell the difference between using the slide method and factoring completely? So, which one's which? Which one would you do? This is the slide method. How do you know? You cannot combine by the number in front of x squared. In front of x squared is a 12. Can you divide 8 by 12? No. 7 by 12. You can, but it's a disgusting decimal, and we don't want to do that. How about this one down here? Can you divide everything by 12? Yeah. This is a completely, because you can divide everything by 12. Divide everything by 12. X squared minus x minus 6. It's a GCF and then just a regular MC chart. You cannot do the slide method with these. It does not work. You will get the wrong answer. All right? So be careful with that. Make sure, first thing you should check,